If your skin constantly feels tight, flaky, or itchy no matter how much lotion you apply, you might be dealing with more than just dryness. The real problem is often a broken skin barrier, which loses moisture and lets irritants in. CeraVe was specifically formulated to help fix this. So what makes it so special? It all comes down to the science of ceramides and essential lipids. Ceramides make up 50% of your skin's lipid barrier. CeraVe infuses 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid to lock hydration in all day long. Beyond the ingredients, let's talk about the feel. It has a rich, velvety texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy film behind. It uses patented MVE delivery technology to slowly release moisturizing ingredients, keeping your skin hydrated for a full 24 hours. Safety and efficacy are at the heart of this product, as it was developed directly with dermatologists. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, making it perfect even for those with eczema-prone skin. Whether you are fighting winter dryness or just want a reliable daily routine, this cream is a must-have for healthy, radiant skin. Ready to try it for yourself? Check the link in the description below to grab your tub on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare breakdowns.